Today we'll show how to replace the iPhone display connector. So let's get started. First, apply solder paste on the damaged connector. Now use a soldering iron to remove the damaged connector. The temperature should be set to 380 degrees Celsius. Use the soldering iron to melt and remove the solder around the pads, breaking the damaged connector apart. Carefully and thoroughly remove the damaged connector, making sure the area is completely clean. After the area is completely clean, use soldering wick to thoroughly remove any remaining old solder. After cleaning the solder, use thinner and a cotton bud to clean the area. Once the area is completely clean, use a soldering iron and apply solder paste to solder all the points. After soldering, take out a new connector of the same iPhone model from the package. Use tweezers to carefully align and place the display connector in position. Now use a hot air gun to apply airflow at 360 degrees Celsius. Once it's properly joined and secure, the replacement is complete. Thank you.